Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we are going to design a powerful, interactive, and dynamic dashboard. It's a base on which we are going to build the dashboard report. Before designing, let's start with understanding the data, which is the key to meet the reporting requirements. This dashboard is built upon the dataset of Coworking Space or similar model of real estate rental business. The data is basically set to give us the profit and loss statement, components for revenue and operating cost. Just to give you an understanding of basic information. So, in this sheet, data is comprising four data tables giving monthly data. So, the table 1 is based upon the capacity for these seats. Number 2, the revenue streams table, and number 3 is the cost streams, and number 4 is just set for the financing basic data set. So for your understanding and to create the data, you just need to understand the data. If you feel any kind of the information to be asked, you are feel free to ask any kind of the questions through the comment section. Now let's start the charts and move towards the steps. Step 1 is just go to the view option and go uncheck the grid lines. Now into the step 2, go to the color fill option and just go to the home tab and go to custom colors and choose the random colors as per your requirement. But for our, we are going to set the requirements as per our data set. Now go to the shapes and insert and select the rectangle shapes and adjust the size, shapes and other properties of the shapes as per the given dashboard. We are giving to the main properties for the shapes for your understanding. You can set it as per your own requirements. Now it's time to create the charts to be presented through the dataset. Let's start from the occupancy chart. Go to the insert option, and through the pivot table option you need to create the pivot table, and then you can choose the monthly and seating options. Now create the support columns through the pivot chart and use the occupancy and balance columns for creating this occupancy chart. Now let's use the conditional formulas where we should use to calculate the occupancy to capacity ratio. And if a condition is met, then the results will be shown, otherwise the results will be zero. Need to create the interactive chart table. Let's create this circle from the shapes. This is just the simple circle. Now set its colors to light blue. Now while using the balance column for creating the no fill area, you need to create the chart area for representing the no fill area for the other value which is not calculated through the formula. Now go to the chart options and choose a pie chart and create a no fill for the balance value and place that chart over the ring, and you will feel that the balance values are just 0 here, and the value which is calculated through the formula is shown through the pie chart to show the occupancy. All the formulas are shown in the video for your reference. You can use and practice that as well. If you have any kind of the questions, you are welcome to ask those questions through the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for the future videos, because we are going to create different kind of the videos regarding the financial modeling for the finance interview questions and other finance help. So feel free to ask any kind of the questions. Don't forget to ask through the comment section. Just hit the like button and subscribe.